14 साल बाद बड़े पर्दे पर लौट के आ रही है ईशा देओल। भाई ईशा देओल ने ढेर सारी फिल्मों में काम किया है। बड़े बड़े सितारों के साथ हेमा मालिनी धर्मेंद्र की बेटी होने की वजह से ईशा हमेशा सुर्खियों में रही। लेकिन अब एक लंबे समय के बाद, पूरे 14 साल के ब्रेक के बाद वो नजर आ रही है तुमको मेरी कसम में, जिसे प्रेजेंट किया महेश भट्ट ने, डायरेक्ट किया विक्रम भट्ट ने। विक्रम के साथ ईशा ने पहले अनकही में काम किया था और अब एक बार फिर से विक्रम भट्ट की फिल्म में ईशा देओल की वापसी हो रही है।
The first thing that I want to say here today is thank you. Thank you, Bhatt Saab, and thank you, Vikram Bhatt, for bringing me back and putting me right back on the silver screen after 14 years. Yes, after 14 years, you have taken the responsibility to do that, and you have done it fantastically well, and I'm so glad that you saw something in me which would justify playing Meenakshi Sharma. And yes, there is a lot of intensity to this character. There was a lot of intensity within me that was waiting to explode. And that's what you're going to get to see in our film. And I've connected with Vikram again after a very long time, after Ankahi. And I've always, had that in me that I want to work again with Vikram, because as an actor, we work with so many directors, but there are very few who stay in your heart. And he's one of them, because the performance that he brings out of all of us, all the characters in the film, is just out of this world. You really go into the soul of the character and feel every breath that character is going to probably be taking. And I just can't go on and on and on, but thank you, and it's just wonderful. Thank you, Ajay ji. आपने इतना अच्छा फिल्म हम सबको ये मौका दिया इस फिल्म बनाने को आपके कहानी के ऊपर. We live up to your expectations. Thank you. I sound a lot like my mother. Yes. Yes, I know. Honestly, 14 साल नहीं लगा मुझे कि 14 साल निकल गए, क्योंकि आई हैव वेरी मच बिन इन टच. बीच में मैंने कुछ ना कुछ करती रही हूँ, आप सब जानते भी हो. वेब सीरीज़ हो या शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, वो सब किया है. लेकिन लकीली जितने बार मैंने फिर से काम किया है, मैंने उन लोगों के साथ किया है जिनके साथ मैंने पहले भी काम किया है. वेदर इट वाज अजय देवगन इन रुद्रा, अन्ना इन हंटर, एंड वो विक्रम, अनुपम जी is part of my first film, my debut film, and I am working with him after Koi Mere Dil Se Pooche, and it was just so nice and so comforting. तो मुझे honestly अंदर से पूछेंगे तो इतना चेंज नहीं लग रहा है, लेकिन विजुअली अगर आप बोलोगे कि सिनेमा बदल रहा है, everything I believe is a circle. Today this is trending, it will go down and the same thing will start trending again. So it's just revamped and it's a circle. So at the end of the day, we do want to watch a hero, heroine and a villain. The triangle is so important in our Indian cinema. And one more minute I want to take. I was talking about Anupam ji. तो इनके साथ जब काम कर रही थी मैं फिर से, और इस फिल्म में मुझे इनके साथ इतना ज़्यादा इंट्रैक्शंस हुआ है, क्योंकि मेरे ऑलमोस्ट most of my work was with him only, and he is seriously an institute in himself and an honor to work with you, and I enjoyed every moment on set with you. I didn't get bored. I was so happy working with you. We shared so many things to eat. We spoke about so many various topics in between our courtroom scenes, and we realized that age is just a number, and we connected fabulously well. I've made a wonderful friend in Anupam ji, honestly, and I loved working with you.
Thank you so much. We made reels also.
You made me make the reel. He's so tech savvy. He said, chalo reel banate hain, and I'm quite laid back with social media. अरे हमेशा यही पूछना है. अभी मिलेंगे आपको 1-2 दिन में किसी इवेंट पे, आप उनको पूछ लीजिए प्लीज. नहीं शीज ऑनेस्टली उन्होंने ट्रेलर अब तक नहीं देखा है, क्योंकि मथुरा में है मम्मी, और मैं फ़ोन पर उन्हें भेज कर दिखाना नहीं चाहती हूँ. तो she will directly be watching the film, the screening of the film, and she's very very happy that I'm working again with Vikram ji and Mahesh ji. She is thrilled that this is, Mahesh ji is presenting this film because we go back to Marg. Yes, anyway, that's another story altogether. चाहे मैं सच बोलूँ ना आप जानते ना मैं, I think we are all in a process of sort of where the wind blows, we will go. But I see more and more people today sort of standing up for different causes and different subjects, and are suddenly the voice of an individual human being is becoming a collective voice. And I think that is a wonderful beginning to make sure we go in the right direction for our future generations, for our kids, and so on and so forth.
ईशा देओल OTT में काम कर चुकी हैं और अब फिल्मों में एक बार फिर से आना काफ़ी दिलचस्प है. तो ईशा देओल को उनकी नई पारी के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट. मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट.